This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Clarendon Park neighborhood in Uptown, just west of Montrose Harbor and the 9-hole Maravitz Golf Course, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly, full-amenity, new 811 Uptown. I'm in Unit 1005, a one-bedroom, looking out over Clarendon Park to Lincoln Park, Lakeshore Drive, and Lake Michigan, and Montrose Harbor. You can see the ball courts below, basketball, tennis, softball, Clarendon Park Fieldhouse, floor-to-ceiling windows on both sides of the living room. Great living, dining, kitchen area. Plenty of space to have a variety of ways to lay out your furniture. Space for a dining table. Great wide breakfast bar peninsula. Coat closet as you would have entered the unit. It's a deep, wide farm-style sink in the peninsula. 4-burner gas range, a built-in microwave, dishwasher of course. Duotone cabinetry, which is fun. You have ice and water in the door of the side-by-side refrigerator. And since you're in a model, you have all sorts of goodies to get you carved up and hydrated. It's a great room, looking straight out into the parks. Bedroom also has floor-to-ceiling windows facing east. Space for a queen or king-size bed in the bedroom. Walk-through closet to the bath, which has a tandem entry both from the bedroom and from the living area. Full-size front-loading stacked washer-dryer here. Good hanging and shelving space. Vanity with 2 banks of drawers for storage, something you're often going to find missing. Designer mirror. Deep soaking tub with a rain shower head in the shower. And I'm doubling back into the living dining area. 811 has an absolutely fantastic suite of amenities, including an acre of pool deck. Pretty much everything you can imagine. If you want to head just north of Lakeview, you're going to have 811 on your must-see list. Head just north of Lakeview for an appealing location in a building with terrific amenities and great apartment layouts. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.